Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find your synced data in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It looks like 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Sync and Google Services. Step 5. Click on Turn on Sync to enable syncing for your Google account. Step 6. Next, select Settings to customize your sync preferences. Step 7. Finally, click on Review your synced data to access and manage your synced information. Syncing your data in Chrome allows you to access your bookmarks, history, passwords, and more across multiple devices. It's a convenient feature that keeps your browsing experience seamless and consistent. Remember, you can always customize your sync settings and choose what data you want to sync or exclude from syncing. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.